Well, here we go. This is video 2 of, hopefully it'll be just 2. She's making headway so far here on the truck. You see that? We got another one on the truck. Daria, why don't we go back and show Mimi that you could put this puzzle together, because then we're going to get a lollipop too. Okay?
What's she mean?
Okay, we'll see you afterwards. I'll show it to you on the computer. Go ahead and get on down there and start putting it together again.
What's she mean? What's she mean? Camera.
Okay, well we will once we finish the puzzle, okay?
It's working. I should take a picture of Keisha.
All right.
Take a picture of Keisha.
I don't want to, babe. I want you to finish this puzzle for Mimi.
Huh? Hey. Oh, I guess I'm tired.
I think you could do it.
Huh? Hey, there go. There go steal him. No. Well, Mommy, where is it, Mom?
I don't know. Here's some more pieces, okay?
There's some more.
Look, there's the window to the fire truck.
Okay. There's a little fire truck.
Where does that go?
Right there.
You did it. Good job.
Another piece. There's another piece. There's another.
I don't think that one goes there, sweetie. I think that goes over.
Where?
It's part of the big ladder.
So for a big ladder?
Yeah.
There.
Yeah. Does that go there? Okay, good job.
There goes still big ladder. There goes still big ladder.
No, I don't think that goes there. Okay, Dara, you're breaking the puzzle apart here. Let's fix this. Okay, there we go.
I go potty.
Go ahead and what?
Go potty.
Do we need to take a potty break?
No,